guys, we are going to be drawing a carrot for Easter. So we're going to start out with a curved line, and this is going to be the top of the carrot. Now, a carrot is a three-dimensional figure, which is actually a cone shape. So right now we're drawing the top of the cone. The cone will actually extend to about here. We're going to make that the point of the carrot and draw a straight line from the top all the way down to the point. I'm going to curve that and then go straight back up to the other edge. And now we have somewhat of a pointed, irregular shaped cone. Now I'm going to draw a few lines up here, and these will be the leaves that grow off the top of the carrot. And I'm just going to add kind of a bumpy shape around it to make it look like the leaves growing off of the carrot. Now, like I said earlier, a carrot is a cone shape, and a cone is rounded. So the lines that I'm drawing along the carrot are rounded, and that actually shows that three-dimensionality of the carrot. Now, notice that I'm doing small sets of rounded lines that come from the edges of the carrot. We're actually going to use that a little bit more when we go back and outline. Alright, now that I've finished my sketch in pencil, I'm going to use Sharpie. You can use any sort of marker, colored pencil, crayon that you have at home, and we're going to go over an outline. Now, the outlining phase, you can actually correct and fix things that you're not quite happy with in pencil, but you can also, as you notice, add a little bit more texture. So I'm following these rounded curved lines, and it actually makes the carrot look a little bit more bumpy and natural. Notice that I did not redraw the straight edge of the cone, but instead I'm following these rounded lines. Now, an important step of drawing when you're tracing is trace and erase, which means that after you're done tracing, you go back and erase any pencil outlines that you have left over. This will clean your drawing up. Now I'm ready to add color. I'm going to start with 3 different shades: red, orange, and yellow orange. Now with the red, I'm simply making a bottom outline, just filling in this bottom edge here with red to be my deepest, darkest color. Now with the yellow-orange, I'm going to be drawing a very long, thin triangle shape, and this will be a highlight. This will be one of my lightest colors on the carrot. Next, I'm going in with my regular orange. I'm going to go ahead and fill this entire edge in with orange and the majority of the rest of the carrot. Now, as I fill this in, I'm going to leave one little section white, and I'm actually going to be filling that in with a lighter yellow orange, and that will be my lightest highlight. Finally, I'm taking this yellow to fill in my highlight, but I'm not going to leave it yellow. I'm actually going to very lightly layer a yellow orange into that. For my leaf, I'm also going to use 3 different values. I'm going to color in the core, the stem of the leaf, with a dark green. I'm going to take a medium green, more of a forest green, and fill in half of the leaves as my darker shade. And finally, I'm using a lighter green to fill in the other half. That way I have a two-toned leaf. So there we have our Easter carrot.